Right, let's look at product to sum formulas and then sum to product. Notice in this case we've got like the sine of u times the sine of v, and we're going to turn it into the difference of two cosines. Uh, Sine of u times the cosine of u will turn into two sine functions. These can be very useful at times, but notice it allows writing the function in terms of a single function of u and v. Be very careful of the order. So here we go. Let's say we have 7 cosine of minus 5 beta times the sine of 3 beta. U is equal to minus 5 beta. V is 3 beta. So using the formula where we have the product and we want it to go to it will go into the difference of two sine functions. Be very careful of your arithmetic. Now we're going to use the even odd idea. So the sine of minus 2 beta is minus the sine of 2 beta, and so forth. All right? In this case, we've got the product of two cosines. So that's the cosine of 2 theta minus 4 theta plus the cosine of 2 theta plus 4 theta. So we have the cosine of minus 4 theta, but you remember cosine is even, so the cosine of minus 2 theta, I had an error back there, is the cosine of 2 theta plus the cosine of 6 theta. So those are easy, just be careful of your arithmetic. Okay, now occasionally it's useful to reverse the procedure and write a sum of two functions as a product. This is done with the sum to product formulas. Now, be sure you pick the right one if you have a difference or a sum, and in picking the right one, be sure you keep u and v in the right order. Otherwise, you're not going to get the correct answer. Right, here we go. We've got the sine of 3 theta plus the sine of theta. So u is 3 theta, v is theta. All right, according to the formula on the previous frame, we've got the sine of 3 theta plus theta over 2, cosine 3 theta minus theta over 2. So we get the sine of 2 theta times the cosine of theta, 2 times that. All right. This is also handy when we want to add something like the cosine of 120 plus the cosine of 60, and we'd like to get it down to a single angle instead of having to look up both of those. So notice we get the 2 cosine of 90 times the cosine of 30, which turns out to be 0.